Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off disable HDW overlays on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on developer options. Next, swipe up to go down, and in here tap on disable HDW overlays. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now I said that always use GPU for screen composition, and if you don't need to use it, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.